He toa mō te kapa tactics. He toa anō mō Ōtautahi.
Tino pai.
I loved it. It was so much fun. I love being in the crowd and part of the atmosphere.
I think they did really good playing games and I'm just really proud of them all.
I think they were pretty good. A few moments where they weren't at their best, but most of the time they were pretty good.
Nō te ahiahi nei I whakanui te taone o Ōtautahi o rātou toa whakaihuaka o te whakataetae ANZ mā te hīkoi whakanui me te tainga atu o te koromatua a Phil Major ki te whakamihi ki a rātou.
We are so proud of you, our Tactics, for your incredible win against the Mystics.
The vibes are so good. Honestly, I'm so overwhelmed with all the support. We were like, oh my God, please, hopefully people are going to be there. But Christchurch came out and yeah, we're very grateful.
We started on the tram and we did like a little tour of the city and then we pulled up, not expecting many people, and then there were so many people. So, no, yeah, truly grateful for everyone that came out. It's such a cool vibe here today.
History made! Nō tērā wiki whiwhi te kapa tactics I te toa I ngā whiringa toa o te whakataetae ki te kapa mystics, te kaitoa o tērā tau. E ai ki te tactics, he toa mō ngā kaitautoko.
I think we've always felt the fans though, like they've always been there. So I think that win was kind of to the fans, you know, it was dedicated to the fans. So I think they've always been there, but I think this year hopefully we'll get a couple more on the bandwagon.
Aha koa koinei te taitara ā-motu tuatahi mō te taone nei I ngā tau 28 e tākaro ana, ehara tēnei te toa tuatahi mō Paris Pētera, raua ko Paris Loko Tui, nā raua I whiwhi te taitara I te tau 2022 mō te kapa Central Pulse.
I feel like Christchurch has always been my second home. I came to Christchurch for uni, so it wasn't necessarily for netball. So I've kind of built a second home here and I feel really comfortable, and so winning it kind of feels like I'm winning at home. So yeah, it's very special.
Yeah, way better. Maybe because it's the first time in 28 years, I don't know. But I think that last one with the Pulse I didn't play and did get a full 60 in that final was pretty cool.
Nā I muri I tō rātou wini tuatahi, ka tiro whakamua te tīma me ona kaitautoko ki te tau e tū mai nei.
I'm hoping they all stay on a team because they were all great together, they bonded really well, and yeah, Paris whakatui. Yeah.
We think that you can tell a couple of the younger ones, they're like a real cool, got a cool vibe, like Charlie and Paris.
Jane Watson.
Neha, hea hai.
Nāsi mea ka defend I te pono. He tino whaia ki te defend I te rātou tīma.
Ko tīmata ngā hui kirimana mō te tīma nei, engari no nae nei, ko waika mōhio, ko waika hoki mai anō ki te whakataetae nei a tērā tau. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.